These are the elevators at the Gate Center at Carnegie Mellon University in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are Otis Gen2 elevators, Series 4 fixtures. Go to 1. Oh, that actually works. These are Otis Series 4 Gen2, vandal resistant.
First floor.
Here are one that talk.
Going up.
8, 7, 6, 5. 5 works. 5 is as high as we can go. These are very fast.
Fifth floor.
Here at 5, go back down to 3.
Going down.
Door close button works. ADA phone. The cabinet is locked. Basic cab, Otis cab. The other elevator in this bank is hospital sized. ID reader. Directory for the Gate Center. These are very nice elevators. There it goes, and that's it.